My video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the pop-ups that come from the site surveyandgift.com. Surveyandgift.com is a deceptive site that may attack Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other browsers. This website, surveyandgift.com, claims to be somehow related to the well-known security program. However, it is not related to that program. These pop-ups are absolutely faulty. They display fake alerts that try to make people download some potentially unwanted software. If you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be brought to many shady and deceptive pages in the internet. Also, these pop-ups try to make you click on this special allow button to show even more annoying ads, so you should not click on that allow button. If it was clicked, you need to fix your browser immediately by going to the menu. You see a lot of such ads and they really disturb you, so go to the menu. You need to go to settings of your Microsoft Edge browser. So once you are in settings, select cookies and site permissions. Then you need to find a special area responsible for notifications and remove any malicious sites like surveyandgift.com. So remove them from the list. If you see other junk sites, of course, don't hesitate to remove them too. There is a great program that can help you perform the removal of malware automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching and investigating your computer to detect and eliminate all other threats that could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.